Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be assembling the life-size animated Sally character. So we'll go through these instructions step by step. So hopefully you enjoy the video, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new. So all you really need for tools is a knife to open the box. From there, it's actually very easy. So we did get the Sally and the Jack. So when we open up the Sally one, this is what it looks like. It's all packaged in here. So just make sure that nothing is damaged, and we can lay all the pieces out and make sure that we have them. They are labeled with the letters. And so here's the operator manual for assembling. You can see all the different pieces here. So this is what we're going to be following for the instructions. So the first thing we're going to do is put down A, and then into A goes the C ones. And if you look, there's a little ball that you push down on, and they lock into place. So we're just going to do the C rods on each side of the A one. And the C rods also have balls on the top that would push in, so you really can only put them in one way. Next, we're going to take her legs, which are H and I, and we're going to take the socks, which were labeled L, and we're going to slip them over the bottom of her feet, and so they just kind of go on and stretch upwards. And now we're going to take the H and I, and we're going to slide the legs over the C poles so that they come out the top. Now we're taking piece D, which is known as the torso, and notice how it has the black box, and then the smaller black box goes to the top right. So this is how it's facing forward with the speaker. Now we're taking B, which is the waist ring, and then we're going to slide it over, and you do have to kind of push this around to get it to fit down into those two holes. I had to kind of push it together. Next, we're going to be taking the underclothing here and just slightly draping it over. We don't have to get it on here too firm yet because we have the arms and everything else. And her dress comes next, so we're going to go ahead and put this right over the top. Just drape it on there loosely for now. Now we're going to take the arms. The left arm is G and the right arm was F. So the arms will go through the sleeves, and as they go up and in here, you'll see that they just loop into the top post here. So the little prongs go down into the post. I'll show you a little bit better on the other arm here. So here's her right arm, and so as you can see, it has two little posts that are sticking down. So very simply, we're just going to line them up and stick them down into it, and so they just slide down into that hole. Next comes Sally's head, so we're going to go ahead and slide it down here. Same thing, just push down on that little silver ball till it goes in and it locks into place. Very nice. Here's our two electrical connections that we have to make, so just line them up like so. Push them together. And then we have the two electrical connections. One is for the power, and the other is for the try me button. So that's what those look like. So from the front of Sally, we're lifting it up the dress here, and here in the front, you can see the top one is the try me jack, and make sure you put the switch either on try me, off, or on the sensor where it'll sense when you walk up to it. The volume you can see is up as well. And then here is the power itself here on the bottom. So that was from the front side of Sally again. Next, we're going to take her hair. It's been tied up with just some loose pieces of yarn. So we're going to go ahead and unthread that, and we can get her hair down. Two of them. Now for the flower, we're going to go ahead and remove the rubber band off of it. And so we're going to take it all the way off. Then we're going to slide the flower through her hand. And it was a tight fit, so be careful not to tear it up as you do this. And then the rubber band can come back down at the bottom. We can work it back up towards the top. And I think they said to have it attached to her small finger. We just want to make sure that the flower isn't going to come out and blow away. So now Sally should be all ready to go. You can test by pressing the try me button, and I muted it for the audio for this video, just FYI, but her eyes will open and close. She'll sing, "I sense there's something in the wind," and then move around a little bit. And I have to say that my kids were so surprised and excited to see Sally. So it turned out really good. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description for more videos like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.